Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I've just rewound a tape from Cursor, and I have high hopes for this, but also because it was a 1981 endeavor, it may be that this PET, which is only 8K, doesn't have enough memory for what's on here. But the first thing to do, I've got big time going. I'm going to stop that so we can list it. Where is that magic key there? We can see it slower. Anyway, I don't think it does anything weird. So we'll just see what happens here. Oh, right. Well, hang on here. Well, I see. See, I don't know how the names on this thing work. There's cover 25, MAXIT, mail, rescue, repair, extra. I don't know. Well, maybe what I'll do, because I don't know, and see, I've got to put in something, and I don't know what to put in. So I'll put in oh, Butterfield, and then I'll see what comes up, and then I can always stop it and go back, assuming it finds something, assuming the tape is working. Found cover 25. Oh, okay. So we'll stop. Okay, so we will load cover, all one word, 25, exclamation mark, quote, comma, 2. I did rewind. I did. And we will press play on tape number 2. And we will see what comes in, what comes up, and if indeed this pet is got enough memory. But as this thing came out, this tape, I think it says 1981, I'm sure that was when bigger memory machines were out. So it may be that this 8K pet does not cut it. Maybe a 16K would, certainly a 32K would, because that's pretty much all there was. So we'll see. I am impressed, though, that the tape is actually seeming to be working. It does seem to be. So we'll see how it goes. Yes, we will. I think another thing I need to do while I'm here is go through some of these reading glasses, which I probably have too many of them here, and decide how many need to be here. I mean, I need them. I know I do. I'll have to decide on. Cover 25. Stop. Let us list. Well, it's something. Let's see what happens. There's a program there. Run. Ooh. Capture molecules in the right chamber. Use the 5 key to control. It's the center. Okay, in the right chamber. Well, they are in the right chamber. So I guess what I gotta do is wait for this little goober fish. Oh dear. I've hit the 5, but it didn't go away in time. So I have to, right there, Woohoo! I win. Took 39 seconds. Okay. Oh no, I'm not doing that again. Press space to see the table of contents. Cursor. Oh, it's doing funky graphic things. April 1981, number 25. File description. Cover 25. Graphics by Kurt Carpenter. MAXIT. Clever logic game. Mail list program. 16K. Rescue. Save the survivors. Prepare. Small database. 16K. Extra. Cross-reference. Disk. Okay. To load a program, press stop. Press clear. Type load. Name of program. All programs. Copyright 1981. All rights reserved. Yes. So this tape came out almost 44 years ago, and it's still working. Well, I guess the only thing here... Oh, well, I guess we can do MAXIT and rescue. Because the others require more memory. Aha. So, we will press, as they suggest, press stop. So, MAXIT. So, we will load. But remember, we're going on device 2. MAXIT, quote, comma, 2. And we will press play. And we'll see if it works. But so far, it's looking good. And I think maybe that's the next file. I don't think I rewound. Oh, MAXIT. Oh, been a long time since I have messed around with a pet with a data set. I must say, I don't miss the loading times. I do not. But there's always the anticipation of waiting to see what comes up, what is good. And it does seem to be working. No load errors. At least not yet. Not yet. So it does seem to be a little bigger program than the opening thing, the opening demo. Let's see, I've been around the pet since I was in high school, near the beginning of high school. I've never heard of this. So I'll press stop. I'm not going to hit anything else. Let's type in Run MAXIT by Harry Saul, Saal. Version 25, copyright 1981. Make the most of every move. 1 or 2 players. 1. What is your name? David. So, I have no idea. It's filling up this grid with numbers. Well, this is discouraging because I don't know what to put in here. Okay. This is David. I'll do a cursor key. It's just going on David. Oh. Now this may be a time No, put a letter in. Nope. Aha. I'm doing something. Oh, okay. So I used, well, I used the key thing. So the keypad. And once I started going across, it seemed I couldn't do anything except go across. It seemed. So, it has taken a number 5. I think I'm going to try and go across and take the number 8. But once again, there were no instructions, so I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. So the pet is thinking. And I'll know in a second. I suspect it's going to go up and take the 15. No, it didn't. It took 10. Let's see. Well, now can I go up? I certainly cannot. Maybe the pet can go up and I can go sideways. Okay, I'll take 4. And now maybe the pet will go up. Oh, very strange. Once again, I wish there were instructions. So I will take the 4. I don't know if I can do this forever. I've taken 1. Okay. I'll take 2. There's a lot of minus things on here. But I wish I knew what I was doing. Okay, well, I've taken 3. I guess I'll take 3. Oh, last took 15. The weenie. Well, I guess I'll take 9. So it seems the pet can go up and down, I can go side to side, that's all I know. And you probably can't see this very well because of the lighting in here, and had I known, pet taken -1. Okay, well, oops, I can't do that. Oh, I'm stuck on a thing where right, I can only do a minus. Well, I'll take -2. I'm sure the pet is going to take 9. Oh, yeah. So I guess I will take 8. All right, now it's 48 to 36. What is the pet going to do? It took 2. And all I can do here is also take 2. But it can take 7. Which I suspect it will. It can go up. No, it did not. It took 1. Oh, because now it puts me where I can get nothing. Right. The strategy is, what can I get that's good for me but leaves the other person in a bad spot? I think it's going to take the 1. Nope, it is not. Oh, man. Well, there's not a whole lot for me to do, so I'll take the 2. And I've left it in a row. It can take a 1 or a 1 or a 5. But then, oh yeah, now it's left me where all I have to do is take minus things. Let's look at this row here. Well, guess it's as good as any. But I don't think it's going to go well here. took 5. All right. I'll take 5. Once again, I don't know exactly. Oh, well, there's only one thing for me to do. Take a -1. But I don't know. Are we trying to get a clear row? Or are we trying to just clear the board? I don't know. Well, I just don't know. Oops. I don't know. I just don't know. So we're at 47 to 65. We are. I don't see any good outcome here, but we'll see. Oh, the pet has chosen. Oh, yeah. I have a horrible choice to make here. Well, I'll take the -7 now. See what the pet decides. Oh, yeah. Now I can take a -4. And my score goes down, and the pet score goes up. Yep, yep, yep. Well, I'll take 7 and leave it on a -4 and a -5 and a 0. It's probably going to take the 0. No, it took. Oh, no. Now it's. I understand now. Now I have to take the -6. Oh, yeah. 44 to 63. Oh, yeah. Yep. We're almost done. Oh, yeah. Almost done. Done, done, done. Oh, I got 6 and forced it to. Now I gotta take -4. And it can do, all it can do is 0. I can get a 1. It can get a 0 and leave me with a -9. Yeah, this is great. Absolutely great. -2, -3, -3. Pet won by 26 points. Do you want to play again? No. Alright. Is there instructions in here at all? Not really. Well, that's probably the thing about having a game that has to fit inside 8K. But it works. It does indeed work. Well, you know what I might do now? Maybe, possibly. I might turn this off. Some of you may have never seen this. I know I haven't. Certainly didn't get a very good view of it. I might try and record it again, but just the screen. Anyway, thanks for coming to these Datasette and tape drive and old tape explorations. This was from an old cursor tape from 1981. Bye for now.